The new KBI Series is the perfect scissor lift for installing in paint booths, preparation areas, and flush-mounted in traditional floors. Its ergonomic design allows you to easily reach vehicle pickup points while eliminating all surrounding obstacles. The arms have a built-in pad, so they can always remain on the lift, even in the resting position. The safety of operations is guaranteed by the automatic arm locking system and the mechanical stop on the cylinder. Easy and quick to install, thanks to the adjustable height and smart platform design. A wide range of configurations help meet all types of body shop work cycles. The electro-hydraulic with pneumatic arms enhances speed and ergonomics. By using pneumatically driven arms when opening and closing, it eliminates the extraction and manual positioning of the arms. Also available is an ATEX compliant power unit. With no live components in the work area, it's ideal for paint booth installation. Some models are compatible with our patented TechLink connection. When connected to the internet, additional features are available, such as lift localization, send results to customers, statistics of use, remote assistance, and many more. The KBI Series is the perfect solution for your paint booth and preparation areas. For more information, visit us online.